An eclipse is a celestial event where one object in the sky moves into the shadow of another. This essay will focus on solar eclipses where the moon passes between the sun and Earth, casting its shadow upon our planet. Imagine the sun, moon, and Earth engaged in a cosmic dance. During a solar eclipse, the moon gracefully glides in front of the sun, temporarily obscuring its brilliant light. For a brief period, darkness descends upon Earth, creating a spectacle that has captivated humankind for millennia. Eclipses are not mere curiosities. They are windows into the intricate workings of our solar system. They remind us of the precise movements of celestial bodies and the delicate balance that governs our corner of the universe. Throughout history, eclipses have been met with awe and fear. Ancient civilizations often interpreted them as omens, believing they foretold significant events. In some cultures, eclipses were seen as signs of celestial wrath, while in others, they were viewed as symbols of rebirth and renewal. Myths and legends abound about eclipses. In Norse mythology, a wolf devours the sun during an eclipse, while in Chinese folklore, a celestial dragon attempts to swallow the sun. These tales, though fanciful, reflect the profound impact eclipses have had on human imagination. Eclipses have also played a role in scientific discovery. By observing these events, astronomers have been able to refine our understanding of the solar system's structure and dynamics. For example, the 1919 solar eclipse provided evidence for Einstein's theory of general relativity, forever changing our understanding of gravity. Eclipses occur due to a remarkable cosmic alignment. The moon orbits Earth and Earth orbits the sun. Occasionally, these orbits intersect in such a way that the moon passes directly between the sun and Earth. When this happens, the moon's shadow is cast upon Earth, resulting in a solar eclipse. The moon's shadow has two parts, the umbra and the penumbra. The umbra is the darkest part of the shadow, where the sun is completely blocked. The penumbra is a lighter shadow, where the sun is only partially obscured. The type of solar eclipse we experience depends on where we are located within the moon's shadow. If we are in the path of the umbra, we will witness a total solar eclipse. If we are in the penumbra, we will see a partial solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse is a breathtaking spectacle. As the moon completely covers the sun, day turns to night. Stars become visible in the darkened sky. The sun's corona, its outermost atmosphere, shimmers around the moon's silhouette. During a partial solar eclipse, only a portion of the sun is obscured by the moon. The sky may darken slightly, but stars will not be visible. The extent of the sun's coverage depends on the observer's location within the penumbra. There is a third type of solar eclipse known as an annular eclipse. This occurs when the moon is at its farthest point from Earth in its orbit. Because the moon appears slightly smaller in the sky, it does not completely cover the sun. Instead, a ring of sunlight remains visible around the moon's silhouette. Lunar eclipses occur when the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow on the moon. Unlike solar eclipses, lunar eclipses are safe to view with the naked eye. A total lunar eclipse takes place when the entire moon moves into the Earth's umbra. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon does not disappear entirely but instead takes on a reddish hue. This is because some sunlight bent by Earth's atmosphere still reaches the moon's surface. A partial lunar eclipse happens when only a portion of the moon enters Earth's umbra. The part of the moon within the umbra will appear darker than the rest of the lunar surface. A penumbral lunar eclipse is the least dramatic of the three types. This occurs when the moon passes through Earth's penumbra. During a penumbral lunar eclipse, the moon's brightness may dim slightly, but the change is often subtle and difficult to discern. Observing a solar eclipse requires special precautions. Looking directly at the sun, even during a partial eclipse, can cause serious eye damage. Never look directly at the sun without proper eye protection. Use certified eclipse glasses or solar viewers that meet international safety standards. Ordinary sunglasses, even very dark ones, do not provide adequate protection. An alternative method for safe viewing is to project the sun's image onto a surface using a pinhole projector or a telescope. This allows you to observe the eclipse indirectly without risking eye damage. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when observing any solar eclipse. Eclipses are not everyday occurrences, but they are not as rare as one might think. Several solar and lunar eclipses occur each year, visible from different parts of the globe. In recent years, there have been several notable eclipses. The Great American Eclipse of August 21, 2017, was a total solar eclipse visible across the continental United States. Millions of people witnessed this awe-inspiring event which sparked renewed interest in astronomy and celestial phenomena. Looking ahead, there are many more eclipses to anticipate. On April 8, 2024, another total solar eclipse will cross North America, offering another opportunity to witness this celestial spectacle. To find out when and where eclipses will be visible in your area, you can consult online resources or astronomical publications. Eclipses are not only visually stunning, they are also a source of fascinating scientific facts. Did you know that the total phase of a solar eclipse can never last longer than 7 minutes and 32 seconds? This is due to the relative sizes and speeds of the Sun, Moon, and Earth. The width of the path of totality during a solar eclipse is usually around 100 miles, but it can vary depending on the Moon's distance from Earth. Eclipses have been used to study the Sun's corona, which is normally hidden by the Sun's bright light. During a total solar eclipse, the corona becomes visible, allowing scientists to analyze its temperature, composition, and magnetic field. These are just a few examples of the many captivating facts that make eclipses such intriguing events. Eclipses are celestial events that have captivated humankind for centuries. They are reminders of the intricate workings of our solar system and the delicate balance that governs our corner of the universe. Whether viewed as omens, scientific opportunities, or simply breathtaking spectacles, eclipses continue to hold an enduring allure. As we look to the future, we can anticipate many more eclipses, each offering a unique opportunity to witness the celestial dance of the Sun, Moon, and Earth. By understanding the science behind these events and observing them safely, we can deepen our appreciation for the wonders of the cosmos. So, keep your eyes on the sky and be prepared to be amazed by the next eclipse that graces our planet.